Hello everyone, good evening. Sorry, good morning. I just confused the word. Is it audible my voice? Yes. Yes. So I just working on that schedule. Hello, good morning. Hello everyone. So today actually just first I will mention here. I'll share this slide as well. First thing, till SQL and Tableau will cover 17th July. Okay. Second, if any content remains, it will cover by extra session. If suppose if any session remains, doubt clearing session we can take, and in that we can go for the clarification. Hello, good morning. Morning. Third thing, almost in August, date will declare in August. Internship, those are in the internship as well as internship and ANN and CNN part will start to implement. Internship also, and in the internship, ANN and CNN part will cover. Okay. The point to be remains that is, I think yesterday someone said that SVM is it correct, and someone SQL and Tableau will cover. Those people's having R programming and Power BI, that will take for the extra sessions after 17th. Yes, R and Power BI. Actually, that is not from my side, but means I'm not teaching. But Power BI and R language after 17th will go for the extra sessions for this. Are you getting, ma'am? Everyone? Because side by side we cannot take no Power BI and R. So Power BI and R will take after completion. You got this one, everyone? Yes. If anything is there, no, you can pass. Please copy paste in chat. Yeah. Capstone projects, sir, into internship will cover. Wait. Okay. Till then, we have this sort of one. Hope so. You guys having this. Just give me a second. No, no. The internship time, no. We are not. I means I haven't discussed the internship time slot, but the date will discuss after discussion. After completion, means after I'm getting the date from 1st August or suppose next week of August, then definitely I will give you the duration. Okay.
Bring your business online with GoDaddy. Choose from web hosting plans that are reliable and secure. With
This is the link that I have shared with you. No, you will be assisting internship.
Hey everyone.
Yes, ma'am. I'm there. I'm there for that assistant. Internship batch also I'm going to handle. Did you get this link? Yes, thank you so much, Rahul. I'm too. I'm enjoying every session. You know. Now my voice is audible. Right, correct. Just attend this one. No. So Now let me know voice is audible. Yeah, great. So actually two devices are connected. That's why I'm getting problem. Great. Thank you so much for this one. So first, I will go for the SQL one so that I'm just sharing my screen for SQL. If suppose anything like yesterday SVM is there, we'll go for the extra session for this and slot for that. So if suppose there is I'm taking the extra session, I will inform you before that. Is it correct? Means it's kind of doubt clearing session so that we can go for the explanation of this. So every point we can. So now we are going to work on the SQL. So guys, I think it's okay uh, if you guys are getting some problems with the means installation process. I have shared one video link in the chat as well. So once again, if you want another link, I have given you SQL 2008 server means R2 installation package link. But if you want to go for a 2012, no, it doesn't matter. Means you can go for that one also. Wait, I'm sharing view. Yesterday I found my problem that the server is not installed. Actually, so many times, even I'm getting the problems to after installation. There is nothing can get it. Means you have you have done the means installation process and all, not an issue. But after while opening the SQL server, no, definitely will get a problem. So better trial and errors is important. Sometimes within a single execution you will get everything, but sometimes getting problem. Yes, I gotten one link to you. I will share it just sharing to you. See, I'm sharing one screen, one link to you. But better to work with the side by side in your SQL server. First learn what I'm going to do and then go for it. Okay. Are you getting my point, everyone? Can I open my screen here? I'm just opening my screen here. That is. Screen is visible, no? Yeah. See, after the installation, I have shared you two links, 2008 installation as well as 2012 installation. So go for that and check it once again. Once, okay. So I'm just finding my SQL. Directly you can pass it down SQL there, okay. Here you will get a Microsoft SQL. Check out the symbol. Symbol is important because you will get in so many options here. SQL Server 2017, 17 kind of stuffs. So better you should just choose this DB database symbol and this kind of tools like this, okay, and run as an administrator. So better always go with the run as an administrator. You will get an administrative rights to perform some operation. Just give me a second. It will take little time to open. What should we give that? What about server name? Actually, after installation, no installation process, you can give the custom name. Okay, you can go through with the name. See, I'll once again, I'm just connecting this. See, this is a server. Actually, SQL is an SQL Management Studio. It is kind of server, right? So this studio. So you can create uh, your custom name as well as a server name, because while installation process there is an part that time you will have to give your name as well, or you can give the this by default name SQL Express. If suppose if you continue with the SQL Express, not an issue, you can give the same name. But if you don't have an this SQL Express, and if you are giving your own name, means your own custom name, then definitely you will get it. I did local SQL Express, localhost. Yeah, try with this one. Better just not an do not give a complicated names like that. Why? Because next time, if suppose single comma also will not give the permission. If suppose if you choose SQL authentication, then definitely you have to give this SA is an by default username. See what I'm saying? SK is an by default username, and password, it depends upon you which password you want to give. Means while installation process only you can give the password. Okay. And see, actually you will get an, if suppose if you are passing wrong password, then you will get an this kind of error. And actually I haven't installed SQL Server authentication. I choose Windows authentication, so that he will take the Windows authentication, means your PC's authentication, right? Are you getting my point? So you have to give the server name. It depends upon you which server name by default you are getting while installation of installation process. Okay. See, the left side you are getting, that is an object explorer. Why this is not connecting? Yeah, it works now. Okay. So first thing, see, first thing what I'm going to tell you. Today we are going to work on some basic stuff. Creating, see, everyone, please. Basically, if we select SQL authentication, the we need to set a login and password. Yes, sir. Yeah. If suppose this, but this point is you can pass in while installation process. Okay, if you are not passing while installation process, then you will not get this kind of stuff. Means SQL authentication. Okay, the first thing, everyone, please, how to create SQL database. This is the first thing. Second, how to create table in SQL database. Third, data types for SQL column. Means we are going to create a column, no, that's why. Okay, fourth, create script file. See what I'm going to pass here, script file. Fifth, upload, means we can, while creating, means after creation of script file, once again we can upload that script file into, because I would like to tell you one thing. If suppose you are a developer, you are a data scientist, and you are a data analyst, and Suppose client is going to give you a SQL file to you. This is my data set and go for the analysis. That time you have to take that data set and load into the SQL. Are you getting my point? Means you are taking that data set from the client and you are passing into the SQL so that you can get the proper tables. Sometimes means maximum times, data comes from the client. Why? Because you are a data analyst, they are data analyst, and you are getting the data from the client, and that is a raw data. After getting a raw data, then you can work on it. Data tables, you mean? Yeah, tables. See, database is a collection of tables. See what I'm saying? Upload the script. I will go for the step by step, okay? Upload the script into SQL server. See, these are the major 5 things today we are going to cover. Major things. The question that I got now, Rahul, is data tables, you mean? Yeah. See, first thing we have to know extension. Extensions means every SQL file has an .SQL extension. Is that correct? What I'm saying to you? Every SQL file has an .c, where I will show you. I think I have a script file or not. See here. This is SQL. This is my SQL file. Okay. This is SQL file. So suppose this is a script of eyes blinking, Shiv. This is SQL. So every data set I have, that is an SQL extension. First one. Second, what is a database? Database is a collection of tables for the particular reason you are creating. Okay. What should I type for the server name? See, sir, if suppose there is an while installation process, if you are having something like this one .SQL Express, you can pass this one. I will copy this point and paste it into the chat. It will helpful to you for connection. Yes, I can't connect to server. Go for here. Go to here. See, connect. You can go here, connect. Okay. Rahul, when you got a moment, show us a database. And yes, actually, not everything I'm going to disclose here, not an issue. Database is collection of tables. And what is a table means? Table is a collection of rows and columns. See what I'm saying? Table is a collection of rows and columns. And you know, tables, second name is in, you can say schema as well. Schema is nothing but collection of rows and columns. Schema, table, data set, you know, these words making something sense. Okay. Say what I'm going to do. This is my database. See what I'm saying? This is my database. So how to create a database? Everyone please concentrate on screen. How to create a database? You have to go for the database here. Right click on new database. You'll get in this kind of structure, whole structure here. Okay. And you can pass a name. Suppose I'm passing career data set. This is my table name. Sorry, this is my database name. What I'm passing? Career underscore dataset. Okay. Now, what I'm going to pass? Okay. Means I'm going to press OK. Submit it. Owner means you can set it default. You can give the name, not an issue. Okay, see here. Here you are getting career data set as a database. This is nothing but your career underscore data set. Now, this career underscore data set has an table folder. See. So why this person names something is wrong in my SQL server? Maybe I'll check once that. If you are creating this one, no, you will not get this kind of structure. Actually, my SQL server has some kind of structure here. Okay, you will get kind of this table structure. This is an career data set. In that, in the tables, you will get this structure. Okay, but these folders doesn't matter. You can pass it into a create like this one. See, create new table option, creating a new table. Okay, you have an option. You have an option. Right click, new table. See, okay. Now check out. This is my table. This is nothing but creating table. Now, do you know the way we have created a table into dictionary? The dictionary, in the dictionary, we have done the ID. Are you getting my point? ID, int. So in the dictionary, we haven't taken any kind of integral part or floating value or anything. But in the, so can we use IPYNB extension database as well? No, IPYNB is in file, no, Jupyter file. Where is an MWB? Where is an MWB? We can IPYNB extension database as well. Actually, IPYNB is a file, interactive Python notebook that comes from the file. I have MySQL in this MWB extension is coming. Don't know actually. You have installed the MySQL. Go for the SQL first, so it will be easy, right? I'll wait. I'll check once. This is database maybe. This is an you are getting from the MySQL workbench, no? MySQL workbench, because MWB is an extension of Microsoft, means MySQL workbench file. It's kind of that workbench. This is an extension. Okay, see everyone, please concentrate on this here. I'm creating one column here, means if suppose this is a registration file, okay. So registration file has an ID. Second, name. So for name purpose, there we have varchar. Varchar is nothing but variable and character. See, integer, float, third. Okay, now char, char, character. Character means ABCD. Okay. Fourth, varchar. Varchar is nothing but variable and character. Means integer value and character value. Are you getting my point, everyone? Integer value and character values. Then n varchar. N varchar is nothing but numerical variable character. You can get it like a slashes and at the rate and that concept. No, that comes under if suppose you have an email ID and if you are passing like abhay at the rate gmail.com, if you are passing into the data set, then you can pass an n varchar. Varchar is nothing but the usernames are like abhay123, variable and characters are there. If suppose if you are passing character only abhay, then definitely you can choose character. Float is there. Suppose your value is in floating value, then you can take a 2.2 like that. No, so you can take a float. Integer is nothing but integer point 1, 2, 3, 4. So we choose this or does automatically? No, we have to choose. This is not in Python. Python gets automatically, but this is an you have to pass here. So dots, commas, at the rate, slashes, that comes into this. Got it, everyone? So this is kind of work we are going to do here. So name, so suppose if I'm passing number, if it's not visible, no, let me know so that I can increase the visibility here. I don't know where is some concept here. It's increasing directly. Number is an integer. Email, it is an n where care. So you know this side by side you are getting the size 50. So how many characters you can pass? Okay, how many characters? So I'm creating a table. While creating a table, in that you are getting some columns. No, that columns I'm passing here, and every column has some different types of data types. So ID column is there, integer. Name column is in varchar. Varchar has a capacity to pass a 50 values in the single cell. Suppose my name is suppose Abhay Chogule is there. So it should be a maximum 50. You can pass it there 10, 20, 30. You can limit it. Not an issue. Okay. Yeah, proud. Then you can pass suppose city. City is a complete string, no? So you can pass character. Not an issue. Increase the size while doing this one. So you can pass here 20. And city, and suppose another one. Anyone can. No, you can increase, not an issue, sir. You can increase. Pin code. Okay, pin code is an integer. Can we edit this other time? Yeah, you can. You can. So, yeah. See, allow null. Allow null means it's kind of whenever you are going to pass something into the data. If you allow null, then you can leave that cell without adding any kind of data. Means it's kind of you are passing a null value. If I'm unchecking this one, so everyone is going to be, you should have to put, you should have to pass anything, something into it, into in between the cells. Are you getting this one? If suppose if I'm passing allow null means you can, if you don't pass anything, then it's okay. Or if you are not interested to leave blank, then uncheck it. I will give you one example. Say the number column is I'm passing allow null. Okay, means allow null means unchecking means not allowed null. You have to pass something there. Okay, just check out. Okay, I have done with 3 columns, not an issue. Every column has a different types of data set, data types. Okay, I'm going to save this one. How can I save this file? Control S. Simple. ID should be not null. Okay, we can do that one. Wait, see. Okay. Control save. So I'm going to give the reg. Reg. So I'm simple given reg tb. Reg tb. Okay. And save. See where I have created this file into where career db. Go to the career db tables and check out where I have created. Oh, sorry. Career data set. Here we career data set. Right click it, refresh it, check out DBO database object. DBO is nothing, database object is nothing but your database is in class and class having some objects like an tables. Are you getting this one? It's like that. I'm just master is an database, slaves are nothing but tables. Got it? Till now, everything is correct, not an issue. Can I go for adding some data into it? Abhay, can you please make a screen little big? Screen is too small to. Oh, sorry, actually. Wait, I'm trying to increase this size. How to zoom? I think something is here to zoom. Wait. Change the system resolution. Okay. In the Jupyter, there we have the browser now, but here we don't have. So maybe getting problem. I saw that one here to zoom it. Use mousepad. Wait. This is going to be big like this. Done. Now it's visible. Solved. See what I'm going to do. I'm going to zoom is covered, sorry, and saved. Right click. See, right click and edit the top rows. Is it visible? No. Is it visible? Go to the table. Go to the table. Right click and edit the top 200 rows. Actually, we haven't passed any kind of data, but we are passing here. See, is it visible? Can I add the data here? See, I'm not passing any kind of data into the ID and number. Directly, I will go here, Abhay. Okay, see, Abhay. Not passing email. Okay, email is Abhay at gmail.com. City is Pune, and pin code, that is I don't know the pin code as well. Okay. Yes, system resolution I have to change. Yes. See what is the error we are getting. Now row was updated. The data in the row error. Why error is getting? See, I cannot insert the null into the column ID. So he is giving us a error for the ID column. Why? Because we are not passing any kind of data into the ID column. So changing purpose checkout, not primary ID. Sir. I haven't passed any kind of data, primary or keys means foreign primary keys like that. I just pass a simple ID. So I have to pass here one. See, even I set up the here not null. So once again, I'm going to do execution. Once again, we are getting the problem with this one. See, cannot insert the null into the column number, so that we have to pass a null value, means add some value. So I'll pass here. That's it. Only I'm just passing the tabs here to Rahul something number, Rahul at gmail.com, Mumbai something tab. Tab. You can, whenever you go for the second cell, you just go with the tab. Okay. Are you getting my point, everyone? Third, and you can pass Seema number, Seema at gmail.com. Here we have you. No row was updated, error my side. Why? Check out once tab or anything that you are getting any error, or suppose if you mentioning their null values or something. If suppose this kind of work that you have done, then definitely will get an error. Third, I will pass up 4 values so that easily we can go for this one. Dennis, you are passing. I'm just passing your name here. Okay. DENNY@gmail.com. Can you share me the location, which area from you, so that I can pass your city? pin code I'll pass here. Okay, I don't know actually. I'm just passing here from which area I have passed. UK. Check out. So you guys are thinking about, is it possible to update? See, go here and pass here Pune. Updated. Okay. Is it easy? No, it's not necessary to go for means how we cannot update or something. No, you can directly go and update it. Okay. And last one, I'm just passing here. I'll pass here mat something and mat at 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 gmail.com. And once again, I'm passing here Pune. Pune, not in Pune. I'll pass here Mumbai. Okay, number. Then that is correct. Okay, this is the 5 values I'm passing here. This is similar kind of our data set while we have done the load the data set and all. Okay, in the Jupyter notebook also we have done this work, but we have taken this data set from the CSV, right, and loaded into the Jupyter notebook. We are not doing that one, but in the data set means in the SQL, we are getting this one, this regtb. I'm just saving this one once again. See, I have saved. Go to the go to the reg table. Okay, and if you want to create another one table, right click, new table. See, means what, here I'm just taking id. Once again, I'm taking id. Int, you can pass anything, means uncheck it because not null. Once again, name is an varchar. Okay, number, because I'm taking some name, same column names, integer, uncheck. Qualification, I'm passing qualification. Okay, varchar, and another one, city, varchar. Bus, that's it. I'm changing with the main TB. I just given the main TB name. Okay. So go to the table, go to the refresh button, refresh it, check for the table. You will get in some tables. See, main TB and regtb. But we clicked on the null values there. Why that error was popping? Actually, do not go directly on to the null position. Go to the sequentially, means first click on the not null content and tap that position you will get. Are you getting my point? I know how you are doing. Wait, I will show you how your work is going on. I have done ID and number is in null, no? So what you are doing here, if suppose Abhay is passing, null you are referring. So MTech I'm just passing, city I'm passing. So tab is there. So it's kind of this one. You are getting this problem. So pop up. If I say OK and go directly here, okay, and see what I'm going to do here. Number, I'm doing like this one. Once again, you are getting problem. So go to here. First, check out this is correct or not. Tab here, tab here, tab here, tab here. That's it. You should have to go for from beginning of this one. Tap, 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 like
Hi,
this.
Rahul here.
Hi, Rahul. Yeah.
Yeah, I was asking like when we created that tab, we allow null value there. We
Yeah,
click on that blue thing there. Yeah,
yeah, actually allow nulls. If
yeah.
suppose if you would like to go for this one, no
We
position.
we allow that. We did that allow null there. And why did it was not saving? Why that pop up still coming up? My concern was that if we are allowing null value, should we write NA in there instead of
No,
any?
you can't pass. If suppose if you say uncheck, okay, it's kind of this one. If you are passing like a unchecking, then
Yeah.
definitely you should have to pass something in between that, not like a null. Okay, and maybe
Blue
then
mark.
also if you are
Uh,
hmm,
it will. We have to pass anything there, any value.
you should have to pass.
Okay. And if we untick that, we can leave the blank. That
Then see what I'm going to do here.
yeah,
Wait.
that was my concern.
Yes, city is there, no? So check out. Two is here. Rahul is there. Something. Qualification and city is not an like a blank, no? Means unchecking. So what I'm going to do? Tap, tap, tap. That's it. It's become null values.
Okay, sure. Yeah, got it. Thank you, man.
Great. Thank you. And everyone, just see the way I'm passing the null null, no? Uh, in data science, while doing the pandas work, you have seen one thing, solving the null value problem. With the anyone knows about this one, how to solve the null value problem? Shield any and replace function is there, no? You forgot everyone. Finding the null value problems and solving with the fill any and replace function. So you can use this content for this one. So this is the way some data sets, some tables getting the null values. Isn't it correct? Okay, third one I'm passing here and myth and this is kind of numbers. Okay, here we have the three rows and this data set has an 5 rows. Okay, not an issue. Now the point is, everyone just concentrate on screen. This is important. Suppose if you want to export your data set, see what I'm saying? Export means you want to fetch your data set externally. You don't, you want to take a backup. The client suppose sharing you a SQL file to you, then how that person is extracting a data from their data set and give it to you. So can I show you that one? Everyone is there? Okay, great. So exporting data set. Okay. Go to the database. Here we have the database. What is the name of database? Career data set. Okay. Once again, right click on the data set. See here we have the task. Okay. Task is there. And go to the downside of the page. Here, option of the task. Okay. And generate a script option is there. What I'm saying, generate script. Click into the generate script and one pop-up you are getting. See what I'm saying? One pop-up. Is it visible, the pop-up? So else I'll share my screen once again. The pop-up is visible now. Okay, right, good. The way we are getting the pop-up here, you have to go for the next one. Okay, next. And see, please wait a while, like means you will get in time some little bit. Okay, see, select the database object to script. So you are creating, you are exporting your data set into outside of the this SQL server, and this is nothing but your script. Means we always say that what is where is in your database script file, where is in your database means your software script file. Script file is nothing but your database, your backup. Okay, so always used to say that is script. Okay, and extension is in SQL, so do not miss this one. So generating a script file, the first option is an script entire database and all database objects. Entire database is nothing but your career data set, and all database object is nothing but how much objects you are doing. Why we are doing this? You are exporting your data set. If you, you know, if you are a client, or if you are you have done the work, if you have made some changes in your data set, then after creation of after completion of your changes and all, if you want to give a backup of your data set to the client or something, means you are exporting something, that time you have to create a script. Okay, because the maximum time this creating a scripting concept will not done by the developer. Why? Because you are not a creator, no creator of data. You are a developer, and your client is a creator because he has a software, he has stored 10-20 years of data into the data set. So your client itself, he is creating a database script file and given to you, but I'm telling to you how to do this one. You have to know. No? Are you getting my point? So you can choose a specific or script, but we will be the one who will be the adding more data into the tables. We are not adding a new data into tables. Why to add others database your data? Are you getting point? You are a data analyst. You can create your model. You can fetch your data and solve the problems. So you are not a creator. Okay. Next, say here you will get a multiple options. What I'm saying here, you are getting a multiple options. You should have to choose save as a script file. Click save as a script file. After clicking save as a script file, you should have to go for advanced. See, I'm just scrolling here. Okay, go little downside, go little downside. See, above the table view option, you will get an option of tables of data to script. Here, you will get an how many options? 3 options. How many options are there? 3 options. First, if you want to create, if you want to generate script file, then that script file, what that script file contains, means what type of data script file contain. If you want to generate only data script, if you want to generate schema and data, or if you want to generate schema only. So can anybody tell me what is the schema? While I'm giving you introduction, that time I told you that schema is nothing but tables. Schema is nothing but tables. You know, tables are nothing but rows and columns. Collection of tables are nothing but database. Now got the point? Hope you got this one.
So what we will do the client data? Why? What? i- What will be the? Actually, the question is good. You know, actually, I'm a data scientist, suppose, and you are a businessman. You have in some sort of queries in your database. What type of problem means you are going to predict something or do the analysis? Then what you are going to do? You are creating a script file given to me and gives me some problem statement. This is your 5 problem statement. You can solve with my problem. You can solve with my database. Okay. And suppose if you have a database, you can't go directly on the problem solution. You can go for the data pre-processing things. Are you getting my point, everyone? So pre-processing and then data analysis and then machine learning. If suppose client saying that go for the prediction, going for the prediction, go for the analytics, you go for the analytics, but without pre-processing. So these are the things that we are doing. So type of data to script means what type of data you want to see into your database. Why? Because you are creating script. No. So I'm choosing here schemas and data, means tables and data. Here, what is difference between schema and data? Schemas are nothing but tables. Tables can contain the data. Yes, correct, sir. So you are, see, schema is only structural point. No, means table is nothing but structural point, rows and columns. If I choose here only, if I choose here only schema, no, you will not get of data. Only you will get a structural point, blank tables. If you choose data only, then you will get an only data. You will not get an data. You will not get a whole schema, means structural point of use rows and columns. Yes, yes. Data only is nothing but only data. Schema only is nothing but only schema, means rows and columns. And data and schema is nothing but rows and columns with data. Now, what the point? Yes or no? Schema and data I'm choosing. So you can give the extension. See, extension is an SQL, and I'm just giving a new name. Career underscore DB dot SQL. Okay. Career underscore DB dot SQL, and go for the next. So here you will get this is my server name. Okay. Database career D dataset, and that's it. Means directly go for the next, not in here. Big thing. See, this is creating a script file. Question with the values, schemas, and data. Without values and schema, I'm not wrong. Yes, 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 yes. This is correct. See, preparing a career data set, preparing a main DB, preparing a REG because 2 columns only, 2 tables only we have. No, that's why. And save to DB. That's it. Go for the finish. That's it. Means, do you know what you have done? You have done backup. You have taken a backup of your data set. Rahul, you are correct. And now just tell me, you got all the points what I'm telling to you, how to take a backup, how to generate this script file. I will show you, means where I have taken this one, because there is a path. No, in the document sector, I got that one. So wait, I'll go for my screen here. question I got here. This backup is an origin data or the edited one. So we do this with first. Whatever the data you are getting into that folder, no, that data means in that data table. If we got any type of error while creating backup, where could be the issue will be? No, you will get not an issue, because if you select a proper appropriate uh, means certain things, no, you will not get an issue here. Wait, I'll show you one. See, SQL file. Actually, it is an there while adding the name, no, sir, where it is saved. This question I'm giving to you answer. While creating, while adding the name there, I'm doing the career underscore DB. That time the path is there. Okay, on that position, yeah, there is a path. You can change the path name position, but by default you will get in documents. See what I'm saying? By default you are getting a document sector. Okay, this is your script file. See, I'll just open in front of you my file saved in Python format. Why? You have chosen a py concept. See, it is looks like this one. See, this is your registration table. See, REGTB. This is main TB 1 and 2. It's kind of SQL query, means SQL is nothing but structured query language. So it looks like a structured query language. Okay, my file is saved. You got this point, everyone, till now, till this position. This is looks like this one. So now, if you guys are getting this one, now I'm going to show you how to take that data into your PC once again. Because just imagine I'm a client, and I'm giving you that file. Which file? I have generated my this one career underscore DB is there, no? So this is my company file career DB, and I'm giving to you. So after giving to you, how can you load this file into where? In your PC, in your SQL server. So are you ready to see this one? Till now, are you getting this everything? Can I show you the next part of this one? See, right click on career DB, right click on, open with, choose another app. See, more apps. You can choose directly. I think it must have to get a SQL server, but I'm not getting SQL server. Better, my one work, my error there saved as a SQL. Yes, yes, yes. See, double click it. Open all the content. See, I'm just opening all the content. I'm just copying all the content. Control all, Control A all, Control C copy, Control A all, Control C copy. Okay, I have choose all this. Okay, copy. Go to the server. See here, you have a new query. Click here, new query, paste it down. Is it correct? Till now, you got the point. Till now, you got the point. Tell me, please. This is all the data you are getting here. This is okay. Now, please concentrate. Please concentrate. Now, you just have to do one thing. Delete. See, delete all the content from use master to see what I'm doing here. See to till your first table, till your first table is created. No, till first created. See here, create table main TB. This is your first table starting. No, so above the go is there, so you can remove all the data from that. See, I have removed. Now got the point. I will show you once again, but just let me know till now you got the point. What data is that? This is SQL. This is a SQL script. SQL code is there, this one. So whatever the table you have created, no, the table looks like this one. The one we deleting. Actually, this is altering table, means all the content, the creating database or the system generated content code is there. System generated. Got the point? So we don't want this one. Okay. So till now we are getting this one. First table, second table is here. Okay. Now you have to create one blank database. See what I'm saying? You have to create one blank data set. Right click on DB, new database. I'm creating B underscore career. So B, why I'm just passing a B blank. Career DB. Now you will see here career DB table. I'll delete because every time this person why getting this. Show again. Which one? That. Wait, I'll show you. New query is there. You can paste it there. You will get an kind of this data, whole data. Okay. Go to the use and select all the data till where there is an your first table's code is there. See, this is first table. Your main TB is in first table, no? Okay. And then you will get in second table, REG. So till here, you have to delete. Okay. Now what, Rahul? Yeah. After that, after doing this one, you should have to choose your table here. You have to choose here database, means there we have a lot of database here, TM, temp, DB and all. Just we have created a B underscore career DB, right? So click here. So click here, B underscore career DB. And then here we have the option of execute. Is it visible? No. Execute. Can I click here? Execute. See, affected. Check out once again. So Rahul already named object error. Actually, if you're having a database name already know, then definitely you will get a problem. Rahul, are you getting my point? Check out once again. DB is not getting tables, no. So I go for here, refresh, and go to the table. See, you got it easily. You created a new database. I missed. Oh, yes, I have created new database. See, it's not meaning to create always new database. If suppose, see here. I'll once again I'll paste it down my own means major data set. That is kind of this one, no? Everyone, please. And here we have the career underscore database, right? You just add one thing. I'll add here career abe. Okay. Just I'm just learning purpose. I have added this one. Career underscore abe. Everyone, please. Are you there, everyone? Okay. So career underscore abe and go to the. I'll just remove this one. Go to the directly. Wait. Use goes same. Everything is same. And execute. Just wait. He should execute properly now. I think within a minute, within a seconds, he should have to execute. But getting problem maybe. I'll stop here. See, cancel executing query. Here we have option. Click. I just cancelled. What I'm going to do here, I'll just remove this one. Again, I'm just executing query. Wait, once again, I'm just stopping this one. Where there is a name of database, no, you should have to change there also. Where see career data set is there, no? So every time something you should have to choose, copy it, paste it. So every time. So better to do this one. You just remove your old career data set from your table, from your server. Okay. So I have deleted here all the content and career data set. Now I'm creating new one. Okay. Once again, click and execute. See, affected. So you know what happens here? He has created his own career data set and even tables also added. Where I just want to go for database, go for the refresh, check out he has created career database, choose and table. See, the person is getting actually my database isn't getting problem, so I'm deleting this one. But you will get an main TB and REGTB. You got the point, everyone? Is it correct? Did you get this one? How to generate, how to export script file and import once again into the SQL? Let me know. Let me know. Yes or no? I shared only SQL file here. Can you tell me till now you got the point? Because today we have created a database, creating a table, data types check, exporting a data set, and importing as well. Importing means now the way we have done the SQL file. Is that correct? Yes or no? So see the database name as well. Upload when you finish, we will revise. Yes, yes, no problem. See here we have a table option. Just see the screen here. You have right click on the main TB and table. You can create a table as well once again. New table. See, I'm saying what? You can create a new table or right click on and design. Means design is nothing but your main TB. If you want to change the data type with the varchar, then you will get an varchar. Save it again. See, I have changed data type. Okay. Right click. If you want to select is nothing but only showing the data. Still, we haven't seen this kind of code. In coming sessions, we are going to work on the select query and means creating a select, deleting, updating. Still, we haven't seen a working with the SQL queries, but it looks like this one. But it looks like this one. And right click, see here script table as this one. So many things actually we have to learn. But CRUD operations, inserting, deleting, updating operations also we are going to do. Kind of working on the command line on Linux. Actually, it's kind of Linux and those are have worked on relational database already. Means oracles and um, it's kind of some structured means predefined functionalities are there. No, you will enjoy this one while I'm explaining you. Next session is most important, and if suppose it's possible from your side, you can do not miss to coming sessions as well. Yes. Okay. One more thing. Have you started the work on Python? Because the coming sessions are going to cover up some contents, major contents like with the SQL, because whatever the content that needed for the data analyst know that SQL part we are going to cover up, and as well as the Tableau part. So you will not getting kind of work like means going to work on some pandas. We can solve the problems, but exercise is important, no, from your side. If suppose suddenly some interview slots while you are getting, suppose, and that time suddenly you will get a huge amount of burden of learnings, means syllabus and all, contents and all. So better spend your time on the Python programming, basic Python programming, functional programming, for loop, if else and all. Spend more time. It depends, right? If suppose your interviewer is asking to you like a please explain, implement the functional programming, addition program, or like, even odd program with the function. How can you do? Please implement the class program. How can you do? So you have to know the syntaxes and all. Second, you have to know what kind of work we have done in a NumPy. What kind of work we have done in the pandas. What is iloc? What is a lock? What is a how to solve the null value problem? How to work with the string slicing? Means string slicing regex concept is there, no? String slicing is there. After that, means step by step, everything. If you don't know, please recap everything. Whatever the content that I have taken, that is most important, and that comes from the industry as well. Even I'm working on it, right? So please go through that. Is it possible from your side? Yes or no? At the end, job is there. Job is important. If you are not representing your knowledge in front of interviewer, then means it's kind of not an use of your knowledge. Only representation is important. Means if you are not representing anything, knowledge, I have knowledge, but representation is important. Preparation, go for the presentation concepts. How can I explain my project? How can I explain any concept, topics? This is important. Is it correct what I'm saying to you? So always keep in mind that make your own content, list out everything and check everything. This is I don't know or what, means this is good or not, this is bad or not, something. This is means memorize everything. What is a replace concept syntax? What is a fill any concept syntax? Okay, check the syntaxes, for loop syntax, if else condition syntaxes. Every syntaxes are important. When our placement will start, sir? Actually, I will discuss with the team. I don't know because still you have an internship slot August. I think the August month will go for the internship, and then maybe they are going to give the placement scenarios and all. Nishant, still we have 2 months of slot. Lot to cover it. No, this one. Yes, SQL and the Tableau will cover up, and then we'll go for the what R and that is slot will means that slot comes into the between 15 to what 15 to 1st August, maybe in between that. Okay, but whatever the content that mentioned in your curriculum, no, that will cover up, not an issue. Yes, Rahul. Yeah. So don't worry about it, but go for the study. Always at the end, the job is important. Why we are doing this one? For jobs and better career purpose, better domain purpose, domain expertise purpose. So go for the domain expertise. Okay. So I think that's it from today's session. But go for exercise, and till then, take care you all. Thank you so much. Yes, Rahul, I will. Thank you so much. At the end of the day, thank you so much. See you. Bye bye, everyone.